this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating master secondary counters, static displays. They're wireless, and one is a 1-inch, put in a NEMA 4X enclosure, polycarbonate enclosure. That's the master. And the secondary is this 30-inch two-digit, I should say, outdoor rated IP66 enclosure, and both of them run off of 2.4 gigahertz RF. So the master is transmitting to the secondary, and they both just indicate up to 99, the number 99. It's going to be used for motocross, so they're going to let everybody know when the next event is. So I'm assuming this is going to be on the person who's manning the number displays and displaying the next event. So what we have also is a wireless controller, so they can do it wirelessly from a handheld controller, or they can do it locally with these three redundant environmentally sealed set switches. The only difference is with the wireless controller, you can actually set the display to a specific number to get started with. So in lieu of that, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that. So you're going to push set, and it's going to go from 1 to 6 pretty slow, and then it's going to go at a faster rate, and then at a faster rate. So we're going to stop it. We'll stop it at 52, and say the race, next event, or whatever that you're trying to display to those who need to see it. You can hit +1 or -1. Or if you just want to start over, you just push 0, and that would be on the controller. The redundant switches on top that are local here have the same functionality, so you can increment by 1, decrement by 1, or you can reset to 0. Again, these are just number displays, so whatever you put up there is going to be statically up there forever, unless you lose power. I think that maybe it has battery backup. No, that doesn't. So both displays have a 120 input for power. The NEMA 4X display has a 9-foot weatherproof cable for power, and then the 30-inch has a pigtail and a junction box, as you can see down there at the lower right, with the ground, hot, and neutral for power. Those are both 120. The 30-inch can be hung by these two bars, these 1x2 bars, and you just drill a hole. They're aluminum, so they're all aluminum, and they can be loosened to vary the width, and they're a 5/16 bolt. If you don't want to use them, there's a 5/16 bolt. They have threads on here. You can mount it to something else. All the power is through the side. The wireless antenna is on the bottom, or on the bottom. So to just reset it to 0, just push 0, and then +1 if you need to, -1, and then set it to a predetermined value. Again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and this is a DC-10C-W and a NEMA enclosure. And this is a DC-302C-W and a IP66 outdoor enclosure. And thank you for watching.